Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This plane had to make an emergency landing after its landing gear failed. This F-18 pulled up almost vertically just above a crowd of people. This auto repair shop caught on fire and someone filmed it from a plane while flying above it. This is what a spin maneuver looks like from another plane, and it's basically falling out of the sky but with control. This helicopter pilot picking up trees. This fighter jet doing a low pass. This is what taking pictures of planes flying mid-air looks like from behind the scenes. This V-22 Osprey is a plane and a helicopter at the same time, and this is how it looks when it's being used as a helicopter. This is what doing a roll looks like from the cockpit. This is a prototype of a remote-controlled aircraft type. And that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Other sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also I'll see you guys in the next video.